A very good morning, all of you. Well, once again, a hearty welcome to BBN BCA College, Konika College. Well, how are you, everybody? I think you are all fine. Well, as per our daily routine, without any stops. So means continuously we are taking online classes. So you have to go through this online classes, and whatever you have queries or problems, you have to come to the college and you have to clarify yourself. So we are issuing blue books for the next coming examinations. So means internal examination we are conducting shortly. You have to collect it your blue books. So that is why you have to come to the college and collect whatever your blue books and all this thing. Well, we have to continue our subject for the fifth semester. It is nothing but as a entrepreneurship development. It is a very interesting subject and it is a very important subject for you. Well, we are in the model number 1 for the entrepreneurship development, and today's discussion is that is nothing but as a creativity. So creativity here I written here, creativity means what? That is nothing but as a identify, improve way, or you have to be find out something new. Here identify, improve way, invent something new, or find new solution to a problem or new mode of expressions. So new mode is nothing but as a new method. So creativity is nothing but as a entrepreneur always, if you want, he will be develop business or he wants success in his business, always he have an idea about creativity. Creativity idea is nothing but as a something you have to develop new or invent new things or new methods. So new things means that whatever we have already the method, in that you have to find a new way. You already seen in the business nowadays, lot of development is that already we have the business, but in that the seller or marketer they are finding something new ways or new methods. So that is nothing but as a creativity. So you already have that method, in that you have to find something new for the customer. So customer always they want to be searching something new products or something new way or something new service and all this thing. These are nothing but as a creativity. I will tell you, suppose if you are to buy a fridge. So fridge as per the company, they are giving a service for the 4 years warranty period or guarantee period, and service also is a 5 years service they are giving, providing from the company. In that you have to find something new. The customer already know about that, everywhere is a 5-year service they are giving. But if you want to increase your sell or your sale, you have to take some risk on that. Something new you have to be add in that. What is that new we have to be add? So dealer what he has tell on his risk. So everybody they are giving 5-year services, but I am giving you 6-year services. This is something new. Whatever we have given the service, we are adding something new and we are giving in front of the customer. Customer will be appreciated about that, because they are verified all the dealers. They are giving a 5 years, but he is giving a 6 years. Means that here is the best, and you will be go for the improving and success of business and all this. So that is why something you have to be create new ideas, new development. You already know nowadays you are seeing that the food is supplying outside. Means that every customer they are going to the restaurants, they are sitting and eating and they are paying and they will be leave that hotel. But today the hotel people or in between middle people, the marketer people, what they are done, they are giving the foods on their doorsteps. So they are supplying. You take example of Zomato's. So these people what they are doing, suppose they are going on the apps, Zomato app, and the people will be finding out what are the menu in that and which hotel and all this thing. Then they have to be selected items and all. The Zomato people they are sending and the people will be going and collecting the items and they are supplying. So this is nothing but as a completely new method. Already restaurants are there. People they are going and eating and everything. But in that something new adding idea, it is nothing but as a Zomato. They are giving a service to their doorsteps. So people will be wondering about that. Wherever they have to go, they are collecting foods and all this thing. This is one type of new trend. So that is why you also be creating new ideas, creativity, new idea, and you have to be suppose lot of problems is that in that problem you have to solve the problems of that. So here they are given. So find a new solution to a problem. You have to be find out new solution for your problem. The people will be attracted that and you will be success in the business. This is nothing but as a creativity, and the modes is nothing but as a method you have to introduce in the market. New method you have to be introduced and you have to be success in the business and all. So that is why this is all it will be nothing but inspiring the customers on the different ideas. Already your business will be set up, but in that you have to make a new ideas. Suppose you want to buy a house. The finance people what they are doing, they are giving something new ideas and all. That is a Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana they are added in this. So through the government they are taking the subsidy and all this thing. People will be depositing only 2 lakhs rupees. That's all. And remaining they are giving loan, and later on they will collecting few amounts from the customer. Remaining 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs will be that it will be subsidy from the government. Like that they have to attract him to buying the apartments and all this thing. So that is nothing but as a new type of ideas, new type of creating something new or methods and all this thing. And if you have a problem in that, you have to be new solution you have to find out. So that it will be attracted the customer and your sale it will be increasing. This is nothing but as a creativity is nothing but as a or a new modes of expressions. You have to be one type of methods you have to be used for the attractions. You go for the Geo Mart. Geo Mart also they are something they have to be creativity. New idea already they are in the same field, same market, same business, but in that they are finding new event. So means that they are going taking orders, they are to be sending their people's area wise, and they have to be given 1 kilo, 2 kilo also a small quantity type of grains, food grains, grocery they are supplying to the people. So how they have to be invent new things. So this is nothing but as a creativity you also find out. Simply you are selling a business or you are doing a business and that is not enough today's. So in this today's market, new trend you have to be find out. New events you have to find out, new method you have to find out, whatever the problems in that you have to solve new type of solutions and all the same. Then only you will be success. That is nothing but as a entrepreneurs under comes in that is a creativity. So how we have to start creativity process? This is nothing but as a what type of process in creativity? Suppose you have in mind, you have to make a idea in mind or make a plan. How you have to start this one? That is a step by step is there. First steps of a process of creativity is nothing but as a first one idea generations. So you have to be new idea you have to be generate. New idea you have to be think out. So here it will come. Suppose a writer will be writing a stories. Poet they have to write a lyrics and all this thing. Music director also. Like there are so many people they have to start making idea of new things because we want to give these idea in front of the customers. So in that idea, through that this idea we have to sell our product is that. So first stage in the creativity process is that idea generations. Idea generation is nothing but as an idea you have to generate new ideas. Always you have to make new ideas and you have to put in the business and you have to be sent in the market. People will be buying and all this. That is why the marketer will, they are not sitting keep quiet after the dump material in the market or said material in the market. They have to making a new idea, creating how we have to be attract the customer, how we have to increase our sales day by day and all this thing. For that purpose, we want to be a generate new ideas and all this. And this is the first stage in creativity process. Then second is the preparation. Preparation for is nothing but as a searching a knowledge. We have to search in knowledge. So what type of knowledge is that? That is why I already told you in the last classes, 2-3 classes. Training is a must and should. We have to refresh ourselves and all this. Then only the knowledge it will be developed. We have to be develop knowledge. We have to be searching in knowledge. Where the knowledge is that through the knowledge is, we have to put something, a new idea in your mind, and later on we have to put in front of the customer new things, new model, solution of a problems and all, everything it will put. So first we have to make a prepare knowledge. Knowledge is the most important thing. Through the knowledge you can satisfy the customer's needs, wants and demands. That is why you have to make yourself as a knowledge, and your quality is a competency. Means that whichever you have job, in that job you have to show your best result. It is called as a competency. So that for that purpose is knowledge is most important. If you have knowledge, I will stand in front of you. If I doesn't have knowledge and all this thing, I can't say anything without the book and all this thing. So that type of capacity it will be. So the person who is having knowledge and all this thing, he will stand in front of everybody. He will give the whatever the questions it will come, he will give the answer about that, and he will clarify all the problems in the markets and all this thing. That type of quality you have. So here also the preparation of knowledge and searching knowledge is the most important second process of creativity process. Then third is nothing but as a incubation. Incubation is nothing but as a something at the right properly done. When you have to be searching any idea in mind, you have to be make a properly developed that idea. That is called as a incubation. Incubation is nothing but as a something at the right properly developed. You whatever your idea, properly you have to be develop that idea. Suppose if you have some ideas and all, suddenly you have to put in outside and you have to be on that method, you have to be releasing a product and all this thing, that is not, it will be failure. So whatever the ideas it will develop in your mind, you have to properly develop. That is called as a incubation. That is a incubation is nothing but as a properly you have to develop your idea in your mind. You have to give a development time and all this thing. Then only it will be your right idea, it will be developed and that. These are nothing but as a third process of creativity, that is nothing but as a incubations. That is it. Then next is illumination. Illumination is nothing but as a third creativity process of the under the entrepreneurs is nothing but a recognition of idea. So you have to be make a recognition. This idea is it will be something new, important in this business. This idea is a perfect idea for this product or this business or this market. Like that you have to make a recognize of the idea. That is nothing but as a fourth process of is nothing illuminations. That verification of creativity process, that is a fifth one. That is nothing but as a test to prove idea. Whatever the idea it will come, you have to make test first. So first, suppose if idea is perfect, then you have to bring here and make a test in some market or somebody. You have to test it. So test it will be perfect and you will be completed in that, you will be success in this, then you have to release outside. So that is nothing but as a creativity. Suddenly if you have something, anybody will say you have to be developed in that and you have to sell it in the market, that is the wrong way. So this creativity first, when you have to generate an idea, then properly you have to research knowledge. Then incubation is nothing but as a you give it time for the properly developed. Then illumination is nothing but as a, that is a you have to be recognized which is the best, which is the bad. And then lastly it is nothing but as verification is that you have to go and release some idea and you have to take a test on that. It will be a perfect or not for the marketing. So these are the nothing but as a creativity. Creativity is nothing but as a entrepreneur that identify, improves new method or new way and invent something new, and you have to find out new solution for the problems and then method or mode of expressions. So these are it will comes on the creativity idea. Whatever you have a business and all this thing in that, you have to make yourself as a new idea and all this thing, new idea generate and all, it will be best for your business and all. So these are all today's discussion. I given introduction of the creativity, and that creativity process is nothing but idea generation or germination or preparation, incubation and illumination and verification. These are all about you have to carefully compulsory questions. It will comes in the examination. You have to go through this. Okay. The next time we will be again we will be go further. Okay. Take care and bye.